Hello friends, myself Dr. Ajay Kumar Tiwari, Associate Professor, Maharshi Arvind College of Pharmacy, Jaipur. Today I am here to present how to prepare or create amazing presentation using animation. The learning objectives of this presentation are, after watching this presentation, you will be able to add movement to text, graphics and images on your slide. You will be able to use SmartArt tool to create the moving animation. You will also be able to create animation for content on your slide, and you will also be able to mention effects of animation. Now, before proceeding with this presentation, as reflection sport, I wish to ask few questions to you. Do you wish to create a dynamic, engaging experience for your viewers? Do you think that motion effects can help you pace the delivery of information, illustrate processes, reinforce key concepts, focus the audience, and enhance visual interest and impact? Can animation help make a PowerPoint presentation more dynamic and help make information more memorable? Pause the video, think of it, and write down the answers in your. Now let me show you the amazing slides which has been created with the help of SmartArt tool. Here on the topic of living and non-living things, the content is being converted into the amazing animation with the help of SmartArt tool. Over here you can see the simple content can be converted in an attractive graphics with the images, and it can also be emphasized while presenting through the help of animation tools. See over here, and it will definitely give the smile on the face of viewers. Another example of the slide with moving animations. I took few of the shapes over here with the names, and this definitely helps the viewers to understand the content of the slide. The regular texting of any process description in paragraph format is not that much catchy, attractive or memorable. Narration of it is not much impressive. So this kind of presentation gives the viewers some better understanding. Let's see how the shapes are moving towards their name. First it is being emphasized and then moving towards their relevant name. So likewise we can say it gives a good impression on the viewers and help them to understand the topic in a better way. So here, what is SmartArt tool and where you can find it in your PowerPoint presentation software? So in your MS PowerPoint presentation software, you have the insert option or insert button in your option ribbon. So here under this insert option, we have the SmartArt option. Similarly, in the home button, we have the option to convert the text in SmartArt. So the difference in these two options is the previous option, which comes under the insert button, can be used to pre-design the graphic or design animation, and then after in that graphic you need to place the content. And another option which comes under the home button, so your pre-placed content on the slide can be converted to SmartArt. How? Let us see. So here I am having one of a topic. You have already shown the graphic design on that in previous slide. So here I am going to show you or demonstrate you how to use the SmartArt tool. So here in the home button we have the convert to SmartArt tool option. So from here we can get the inbuilt designs for your content. So first you need to select the text box, then after go to convert to SmartArt option and just move the cursor on the options of graphics. So it gives the preview of the SmartArt designs. So select the best one as per the need, and more SmartArt graphics can be observed from this option. Choose a SmartArt graphic gallery. All options can be seen over here, and the list. So as per your content we may choose the graphic design. If we have the list, like in present case we'll choose some better one which gives the good impression on the viewers. Like I am going to choose the tilt picture ascent list. So here now you can see it's suited quite better, but I need to change some color, so that can be changed through this option of change colors. So here I'll give, yes, this one, but the contrast of text and background is not proper, so I'll further go for another option, that are SmartArt styles. So here by moving the cursor I'll get the multiple options over here. So this one suits better. Yes, now over here you can place the pictures over here by inserting them. So in gallery I have this image of people, so it gives a relevant graphics to the text. Animal. So likewise you may give the images to your text. So by this way, and now it's time to give this slide the animation. So we'll go for the animations option in the ribbon, and then we'll just move the cursor on different animations over here. So if it do not gives the good impact, then you may choose more animations to apply to the object in the slide from this button, and these are the entrance option for the content. So I need to choose one of them. Wipe will be quite better for my content, but it comes from the down, so I need to choose the effect option, and it gives the direction of entry of my content. Then below is the sequence of the content. So you may choose among either all the content of the slide comes at once, one by one. So one by one option gives a better impact. Then after you need to add animation. So further animation can also be added through this add animation button. Don't go to basic animation, it has already been applied at the entrance of content. So then now if you want to give the more animation to this slide, this content, you need to go for add animation option. So before getting them the animation, we must see what animations and what sequence is there for this slide. So for that purpose we have animation pane. So here you can see, firstly we have given the entry animation to all the text. Then we further are going to add few animations to emphasize our content. So for emphasis we can say which may be the better option. Yes, grow and shrink. So to emphasize our content, we have this option, and by this way it is by default it is applied to all the content. So you can see through this animation pane, and to present the living things first, we need not to give the emphasis to all of the content. So remove the rest of animations by deleting the sequence. Yes, now I can see by playing the preview. Yes, good. It's giving a good impression on this. So likewise, you can prepare the basic animation over here. Similarly, for another moving animation, so here I have placed few of the shapes with their name on the slide to save the time of this presentation. So let's see how to give the moving animation to this slide. So here again we'll go for the animation option. First we need to select the text box. So I'll select collaboratively all the shapes. Then which one will be better? The bouncing option will be quite better for my content. Then further I need to give the animation. So for that purpose I cannot choose among the entrance. I can choose among the emphasis to show each and every shapes individually. So grow and shrink option will be quite better, but all the shapes grows and shrink at the same time. So over here the grow and shrink option for the rest of shapes can be placed to start after previous. And now you can see they came and enter with the bounce, and the individual shapes are being growing. Yes, this gives the good impression. Then after, the shapes have to move to their names. So for that I am going to add further animation as motion path. So here I am choosing the custom path. I am giving the custom path to the rectangle shape. See the preview. Then further to the another one. So likewise the custom paths can be given and the preview can be seen over here. So likewise you may give the moving animation, moving paths to all the shapes to their relevant names. So now it looks like very impressive. So to avoid the narrative, boring, impressive narrating, and give the audience a better view of your slides, better understanding of slides, you may choose the moving animation option over here. Now the points to remember before proceeding with the creation of animation slides. Here are few points which are to be taken into consideration before creating the animation slides. The first is idea and imaginations are the basic key for creating animation presentation. More the imagination, more the ideas, more the creativity. Random transition of slides may give bad impression to viewers. So choose basic and simple transition as much as possible while creating animation presentation. Too much use of animation may distract your viewers from main objective of their learning. Use it when necessary, and you have to describe any process where imagination is required. So happy learning, friends. Thank you. For any query and suggestion, you may contact on my number or email ID. Thank you. Thanks a lot.